Let's look at caster. According to your module, caster is a directional control angle. How does caster work as a directional control angle is actually quite interesting. First off, let's do a quick review. We'll call this the spindle on my steering knuckle, and this part here we'll say is my kingpin, or my steering axis. And they say in your module that when this kingpin or the steering axis and the vertical line are the same, we actually have zero caster. Watch the end of the spindle. As I make a turn in this direction and a turn in this direction, what do you notice? Nothing really changes. So let's add a little positive caster. And what is positive caster? Well, it's the backward tilt of the kingpin at the top from that vertical line. So you can see, in your guys' perspective, this would be positive caster. Watch the end of the spindle now and see what happens. So you can see as I turn in this direction, you'll see the spindle drops, and I turn in this direction, you'll see the spindle rises. And as your module says, as I turn in this direction, the spindle's actually trying to force the tire into the pavement. But can it force the tire into the pavement? Absolutely not. Same token, when I turn in this direction, it's trying to lift the tire off the pavement. Can it lift the tire off the pavement? No. So what actually is happening is, as I turn in one direction, it's causing the suspension to rise and fall. So now when I let go of the steering wheel, the vehicle has a tendency to go back to the straight ahead position. It's using the weight of the vehicle to go back to the straight ahead position. It's also using the weight of the vehicle to keep the truck going down the road in a straight line. What if I put in some negative caster? Just remember, negative caster is the forward tilt of the kingpin at the top from the vertical line. Does it really change anything? No. It will still give me my directional control angle, but it actually has some good sides and bad side, and we'll look at both a little bit further into the module.